Manus went offline, so I rebuilt my entire workflow somewhere else. This AI agent lets you build a website, a pitch deck, launch video and social media posts for any business in one click. And the crazy part is, you don't have to build each of these from scratch. You simply give the agent your idea, and it can turn that idea into a complete brand package in minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how I use Runnable to create professional websites and marketing assets for local businesses, even if you have zero design or coding experience. I'll leave the link in the description below. Make sure you sign up to follow along. So let's jump in and see what this AI agent can actually do. The first thing I do is head over to Google and search for businesses that don't have websites. For example, as you can see here, I searched for live band in Fresno, and I found this business right here. Now, let's assume that this business doesn't have a website and use it as an opportunity to build one. However, since this is a real business, I wouldn't actually create a website for them without their permission. Instead, I'll create an abstract business called Music Pro based on the same type of service to demonstrate what Runnable is capable of doing. I'll start by giving the AI agent a simple prompt. I'll say, I run a live band service in Fresno, CA. I need you to create a business website, a pitch deck, a launch video, and a social media carousel for this business, and deploy it. The name of the business is Music Pro. Next, I'll select the website feature and choose Ultra Mode for the generation. Once that's done, I'll click the Generate button and let the agent get to work. What happens next is one of the things I really like about this AI agent. It doesn't just disappear in the background and make decisions on its own. Instead, it takes you through the process step by step, showing you what it's doing and keeping you involved along the way. The agent requires your instructions and approval at different stages before moving forward. So, you always have control over what it creates, what changes are made, and what happens next. This makes the entire process feel much more collaborative rather than simply handing everything over to AI and hoping for the best. Now, everything is ready, so let's take a look at what the AI agent created. First, let's check out the website. As you can see, this looks really nice and professional. I didn't write or touch a single line of code, and the website already has everything a live band business would need to start getting clients. Potential customers can learn about the business, see what it offers, and contact the band to book a performance. And the cool thing about Runnable is that I'm not stuck with whatever it generates the first time. If there's anything I want to change, I can simply type my request into the chat, and the agent can make those changes for me. So, I can continue refining the website without having to open a code editor or know how to code. Next, let's take a look at the pitch deck it generated. And honestly, this is really impressive. The design is clean, professional, and the attention to detail is top-notch. I can download the entire presentation right away and use it for a client presentation or business pitch without having to build the slides myself. Now, let's move on to the launch video. The video did not come out nice, because it used the Kling models, I guess. So, I specifically asked the AI to use the new Seedance 2.5 video model on Runnable AI to create a better launch video. See the result.
Some nights, people remember forever.
Calling out my name. Got that fire in my soul, a burning flame. Yeah.
Weddings that never leave the dance floor.
Something great.
Corporate events, private parties, one band, every stage. Music Paro, your event. Amplified. Book your date today.
Wow, this came out really nice too. The AI has taken the information about the business and turned it into an actual promotional video that can be used to introduce the brand and attract potential customers. And finally, let's take a look at the social media carousel it generated. This is more than professional in my opinion. The design looks polished, the content is well presented, and honestly, I could post this immediately without having to spend hours designing something from scratch. And that's what makes this workflow so impressive. With just one simple prompt, Runnable generated the website, pitch deck, launch video, and social media carousel in just a few minutes. Instead of spending hours or even days creating all of these assets individually, the AI agent handled the entire process while keeping me involved along the way. Now, let me show you something really cool. I'll go back to the home page and ask Runnable to generate a market research report for the live band industry in California. I'll give it a simple prompt. Create a professional market research report for the live band business in California in 2026. Include market size, customer trends, competitors, charts, and opportunities for Music Pro to dominate California. Next, I'll select the report feature and hit Generate. And as usual, the AI agent gets to work while keeping me involved throughout the process, asking for my input and approval whenever it's needed. Once the report is ready, you can see that this is much more than a simple block of AI-generated text. Runnable organizes the information into a structured, professional report with charts, references, market insights, and actionable opportunities for the business. I even asked the AI agent to turn the report into a website. Let's look at the result. This is the kind of report you could confidently take into a business meeting to understand the market, identify competitors, and make better decisions about how to grow the business. And that's really what I like about Runnable. Whether you're launching a business, creating marketing campaigns, building websites and digital products, or researching a new market, it brings all of these capabilities together in one place. If you'd like to try Runnable yourself, I'll leave the link in the description. You can use simple prompts like the ones I've shown you in this video to start building your own projects. And if you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.